part 5 of a multi-part training series that shows various ways to create animations without using a single keyframe. In the last 4 videos, you saw, without using a single keyframe, how to create 3 types of animation using motion presets, how to create multiple animation all at one time using batch animations, how to create an animation using a transition, and how to create an animation using Lottie files. See links below for details. In this video, I will show you how to create an animation using animated GIF files. Developed in 1987 by CompuServe, the graphics interchange format, abbreviated as GIF, is pronounced GIF or GIF. A GIF is one of the 4 major formats that is presented by a static image. However, an animated GIF is a dynamic image format that is made from multiple images to create an animation. It is important to remember that because an animated GIF file is based on a bitmap format, it will create a larger file than its vector's counterpart, such as a Lottie file that was discussed in the previous video. Moreover, because it is resolution dependent, which means in layman terms, if you scale it larger than its original size, the GIF will become pixelated, as you will see in this tutorial. Animated GIF files are popular on smartphones and many social media sites, such as Facebook or X, formerly Twitter. If you know how, you can create your own animated GIF files from various applications or download free files from various websites like Giphy, which is a popular online database and search engine for GIF files. With that backdrop in mind, let's look at a simple example. Import a static or dynamic background or foreground of your choosing. In my case, I have a foreground of a spaceship where I made the windows transparent in Photoshop so that the GIF file in the background will show through them. Create or download several GIF files and import, resize, and position them on the canvas and in the timeline. To access the Giphy file from within Create Studio, select Stock and type in a search term, in this case, space. Select the GIF format option. GIF is the only option currently available. Click on the Open Gallery button to see a larger view of the GIF files. Click on the file that you want to import into your project. Click outside of the panel to dismiss it. And then click on the Project tab to see the thumbnails of the imported files. To save time, I've already completed this step for all of the GIF files that will be used in this tutorial. Important note. Unlike images and video layers in the timeline, you cannot extend a GIF file layer by dragging its right edge to increase its duration. Instead, you need to change the number of loops in the settings panel. In this case, I will increase it to 3. Press the 1 key to reset the playback head to the start of the timeline, if necessary. Press the 0 or the spacebar key to play the animation. Notice that all of the GIF files animate without using a single keyframe. Press the spacebar key again to stop the animation. In the next video, I will show you how to do another type of animation without using a single keyframe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Houston, we're ready to come home.